I have to say that I want to give a standing ovation to Howard Stern, because I think you made the best choice. This is probably the best wild card. Nobody has done better.
Hug it out. Hug it out. They're going to kiss on live TV. They were arguing. Oh! I think I see tongue. There was tongue involved. Magic is definitely in the air.
Oh my God! You did it!
Hi, Charlie.
You did it!
They kissed on live television.
Where's my wife?
And his wife is in the audience as well. I don't know where Howard is going, but
Good to see
apparently
his wife.
he is quite proud of bringing you guys back. How's it feel to make Howard Stern so proud? Now, he's gonna go kiss your wife too?